Punjab. I'm an engineer turned actor. हो गई engineering.
So what are the other films that you are doing?
So there's a Telugu film. I've done like one schedule.
Very soon Harsimran is going to turn into Southern Siren.
Oh. Hopefully, let's see.
Here I'm going to talk to Harsimran. Let us know what is the meaning of Harsimran.
So Har means always and Simran
yeah.
means remembering God. So remembering God always.
क्या बात है. So she is really very God's child, you know. If you want, I wouldn't be amused to say, because you have that godly and such a simple face, yet so attractive, you know. When did you come to know that you are very beautiful? Your mother must have told you. Your mother is also very beautiful.
I think I've heard people telling my mom she's very pretty, she's very pretty. I think I've got it from her.
Okay. So what is beauty to you?
I think more than face, it's the heart. जिस तरीके से हम लोगों से बात करते हैं, how we talk to them, how kind we are to people. I think that is what beauty is for me. I think after you leave a room, if people talk about you in a good way, that is what beauty is for me.
Exactly, you know, and you are beautiful yet so simple. So simplicity must have been inculcated within you, you know. I think people hailing from Punjab, because I've lived in Punjab, Jalandhar, Moga, Chandigarh, Ambala, everywhere.
Wow.
I used to live in Kant, Malrun, since Dad was in the army. So there, you know, people are very simple. I don't know now, but during our times they were simple, you know. So what is simplicity to you that has been inculcated within you, you know?
I think
Through your culture, through your parents.
Always try to be as real as possible. Just speak my heart out.
So nice.
Yeah, so I think simplicity, maybe looks wise also, I try and be as true to myself, true to my roots as possible. So yeah, I think very, very simple things in life. I get happy with very simple things. I have a very simple routine approach towards life, and I think the love for cinema is what making me move forward in life.
Yeah. Okay, she came with dreams, you know, and nonetheless all of us know that Mumbai is a city of dreams. I mean, कहते हैं ना कि यहाँ सारी नदी चारों तरफ से, you know, अगर आपको उसने समा लिया तो आपको जाने नहीं देगी. और अब आप फिल्मों में आपका पदार्पण हो चुका है, and you're doing this is your debut in literary word, you know.
Yeah,
I may say,
this is
because you've done a couple of regional films also.
Yes.
So how do you look at the being the new entrant in the Bollywood industry, you know, such competitive industry? How do you look at the competition?
I think for me, I am, maybe it may sound a little cliche, but I am my own competition. I always look forward to playing characters which are different from the ones that I've played before, and something different that I can actually bring to the table with my approach of characters, with my approach of acting. And I think that's what is important for an actor, because वो एक अलगपन होना चाहिए आपकी acting में, which is something that people look
there has to
forward
be a difference, you know. So Harsimran wants to present herself with a difference in all the characters in her persona, as well as she looks so simple yet so beautiful. So what exactly you're bringing to this political satire, we may say? I spoke to the director. He said ki it's a thriller. So what difference are you set to create in this political satire, you know, Aakhri Sawal?
For me, it's a very fact-driven film. It is representing facts in a way where, you know, entertainment meets knowledge, and I think cinema is the best way where we can probably impart knowledge, especially to today's generation, wherein, because even when I was doing this film, there were some things that I did not know. And I think those facts might reach to people as well.
Right.
Thriller, जैसे सर ने बोला, thriller हो सकती है because कई ऐसी चीजें हैं जो किसी को कभी अभी तक पता ही नहीं थी. So I think that thrill of knowing the facts will be there in the film.
So this thrill is maybe, you know, because it's so much politically driven. It is, of course, showcasing the left and the right political wing. So it must be sugar coated, or it must be, these thrillers must be coated with their own benefit. Did you note that? What would you like to elaborate about that?
I think this film is as it just states facts. I think I would not be the right person to say what is right, what is wrong. I think it should be up to people to watch the film and decide it on their own.
Okay, what role are you going to, through you, what facts are you bringing to the, especially this generation and Gen Z? They are, they are all for, infrastructures. The youth is so allured and attracted to things, all that glitters is gold, like kind of a thing. Even the city, so what facts are you going to bring about?
I think in real life also every person has a different set of beliefs, and in this film also there is a belief system that every person follows. So that belief system is true or not. Those facts. Because it depends on the people also कि वो किन facts में मानना चाहते हैं किन में नहीं. तो I think मैंने अपना जो एक जो मुझे कैरेक्टर दिया गया है, जो मुझे बोला गया था कि this is what you have to put to the table.
What exactly they told you?
that you'll have to watch the film, because I don't want to say things wherein मैं अपना character पहले reveal कर दूँ. I don't want to do that, and I want people to watch the film and decide on their own that वो किस चीज में believe करते हैं.
Okay, you were not there in the trailer. We just
there was a glimpse of me in the trailer. I'm looking very different with all chashma and all. So you might.
So are you playing something Western? This thing?
No, I am in a kurti and jeans and a chashma. It's a very simple girl,
attire,
but with very strong belief system.
Yeah. Very strong beliefs in the film. So let us know what are the strong beliefs that Har Simran is going to bring about, about herself, Anything you can tell, like 2-3 strengths about yourself.
Very, very focused on the things that she has to say. I'm playing Sameera ma'am's assistant, and there are things. अभी मैं ज़्यादा बोलूँगी तो फिल्म का बहुत कुछ रिवील हो जाएगा, तो मैं वो करना नहीं चाहती हूँ, because I want people to watch the film, and because अगर मैं एक भी कुछ भी फैक्ट या कुछ भी बोल दूंगी तो that's the whole plot of the film. So I don't want to say that out, but I really want people to go and watch the film.
Okay, since you said you play Sameera ma'am's assistant,
yeah,
and Sameera in the trailer she says right is always right. So I'm very sure you must be playing right wing.
You have to see the film because that's why I was not there in the trailer also, because they want to keep it.
Okay, guys, we have to wait and see whether she right is always right means she's plays with Sameera ma'am in right wing, but I feel she must be playing a left wing. Let's wait and watch. And how do you look at your reception here after,
I hope it's good. Everything turns out well.
But you must have got what you call it. You must have got people must have approached you. How do you go about in the film industry? Because it's so different now. हमारे ज़माने में वेस्पा होता था या लंबरेटा होता था, एक मैनेजर होता था, तो हम लोग फटाफट फ़ोन करते थे, and we used to talk to anybody and anybody. I mean, we also used to help in casting, but now it's all agency. That agency has that flimsy wall-like thing, which y'all also don't understand, and you fail to get such crispy and good roles at times. Which agency you are affiliated with?
I think after COVID, things have changed a lot with respect to audition system also. I think we used to, like as you said, we used to go to different houses, we used to, audition for it. But now we are like, घर से audition बना के भेज सकते हैं. The agencies call us. I think everything has an upside and downside to it. It has also become easier also because agencies can directly reach out to you and you can actually get to the characters where you were not able to do through production houses. So I think it is both ways. मेहनत तो हर जगह ही है जहाँ भी हो.
Yeah, so Har Simran is not hardly working actress, but she's hardworking. What hardworking characteristics do you have in yourself, if you would like to tell the newcomers so they can grasp something from you before they enter the film industry?
For an actor, I think working on your craft is really, really important.
Right.
Whenever you're auditioning, just don't just get the character, don't read it out. I think sit with the character, try to imbibe that character in you. And as I said, what different approach can you bring to a character is that what matters at the end of the day.
Okay, did you get a free hand while pursuing your character in Aakhri Sawal?
Our
Or
director
was it totally scripted? Like, how was the director?
No, director was very, very nice. I think he just narrated the whole character to me, and while I was performing also, he was like, "You bring to the table what you want to do."
Spontaneous kiya.
Yes.
Changes, he
Yes,
allowed you
yes,
the changes.
yes. He
Okay.
was.
The new entrant with changes. What changes did you feel like? Did you discuss with him?
I think with respect to the demeanor of the character, with respect to even the looks also, we
Looks,
sat and discussed if this will look nice, or we can add the specs were added to the character. So I think those things we literally had a discussion on it, and
You wanted to add the specs?
no, he gave an idea कि हम लोग ये चीज कर सकते हैं, and then we tried the looks, so it was sitting well. I think वो एक discussion, mutual discussion था हर चीज के ऊपर, so I'm glad कि वो chance भी मुझे मिला to do that.
But we say now that through your eyes, half the characteristic is depicted through your eyes. So were you not feeling restrained when you wore the glasses? I mean, you must have felt कि कुछ तो मेरा skills या craft आँख से.
People will notice the eye specs.
Okay, so all close shots.
A lot of
close.
close. A lot of
Oh, all close shots means quite a pivotal character. I'm very sure.
Fingers crossed, yes.
So what are the other films that you are doing?
So there's a Telugu film. I've done like one schedule. There's a Punjabi film that's coming,
So
shooting.
could you elaborate a little bit about the other?
I can't reveal a lot.
At least the director?
And I can't do that, but because
At least what schedule is over?
one schedule I shot last month. Like it was a 10 days schedule.
Which part of
I was shooting in Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, but
yeah.
it's such a vast.
Ramoji.
Ramoji. Acha, the set has been
Yes,
directed,
yes,
yeah. So you play the lead character? Are you
It's a
debuting?
pivotal character in the film.
Pivotal.
Yeah. So there's a Punjabi film that I've shot already, and a Hindi film जिसका reading चल रहा है अभी.
Okay. So how do you find the difference working in Punjabi films, then working here and working in Telugu industries? Any two differences you could share with my viewers?
Of course, language difference that's there. Telugu में थोड़ा वो रहता है.
Language is no more a barrier,
Yeah,
I think.
but
You may be not able to express yourself.
not with the expression, but of course, when you have to get into a completely different language, then वो थोड़ा सा you have to work on that. So I think that was there. Apart from that, I think it was pretty much the same. I'm an actor. I'm given a character. I work on that. I perform. That's the part of the job.
Okay, so very soon Harsimran is going to turn into Southern Siren.
Hopefully, let's see.
You have that Southern beauty,
Thank you.
Okay, so hereafter, how do we look Harsimran in films? Have you signed anything in Hindi films?
Yes, there's a reading which is going on for
Reading.
Yes, reading is on.
Is it a full-fledged film?
Yes, full-fledged film.
Okay, a better role than this one? Would you like
This is a great role. You'll have to.
No, from great to the greatest.
Well, that's a journey, of course. वो तो
Yeah.
आगे चलता ही रहेगा. I mean, better things on the way, of course.
Okay, you wouldn't like to disclose the name or anything?
not
At least
as
the
of now.
genre of your next reading, if the film that you are reading, at least the genre.
Again, it's a true story.
Almost this is also going to be a true story as per the trailer we see. So are you getting? I mean, usually you get typecast if you do real stories. You get real films only. But it's good. How do you look at this progress?
I don't think typecasting is such a thing right now, because there was a thing where actors were only playing positive roles. Now actors were coming in negative roles. So I think वो typecasting वाला चीज खत्म हो गया. It is all on your craft, how you depict a character at the end of the day.
So what is your limitation, Harsimran, about your body shape? I mean, if you need to wear a swimsuit, if you need to do certain scenes, bed scenes, how are you open for it?
If the film requires, if the script is based on that character, then why not?
Obviously, yeah. You're in the world of glitz and glamour, In a film, you have to show these stories. It has to be featured like this. So how open are your parents? Your mother is supporting you?
Yes.
So how supportive have your parents been?
Very supportive. I think since the start of my journey, I feel they've been the backbone, and they're the people that I can actually rely upon at the end of the day. So yeah, because as you said, this industry, we don't know, you know, what is going to happen the next day. And when your parents are being the support system, I think the
It
journey,
helps you a lot.
it really
Yeah,
helps in the
yeah,
journey.
yeah.
Yeah.
It really helps you a lot. A little bit of background about yourself.
So I'm from Punjab. I'm an engineer turned actor. Uh, worked for a while, then learned acting.
Engineer in which?
Computer science.
Computer science. Oh my.
Yeah. Always wanted to be an actor, but ho gayi engineering. So yeah,
Punjab, which?
Mohali.
Oh, Mohali, very close to Jalandhar, na?
Yes, yes, around 3 hours.
I've lived in Jalandhar.
We
Long
keep
back.
going to Jalandhar.
Yeah,
Amritsar jate waqt also. It's on
Amritsar
the way, yeah.
also, yeah. So, what else message would you like to give it to the new entrants, you know? Because times have changed, as you said, that you can do auditions from home, and even casting couch thing has been almost deleted from the industry, you know. हमारे टाइम पे होता था कि हम आपको रोल दे रहे हैं, आप हमको क्या दोगे? It used to be like that because I've been here for 40 years. There's nothing hidden. You know, I used to write for Stardust. So now it's very different. It's all in the thing, you know. What do you have to say about this progression?
I think today's generation is very smart with respect to their career choices, and I feel whoever is entering this field of acting, they should be determined enough to work hard every single day. There'll be times when maybe things might not happen, but there'll be times wherein
Yes.
you know, you will see things happen right in front of you, and then because it has happened with me, and then you'll feel that, you know, life has brought you here, your journey was all worth it. So just believe in your journey, believe in yourself, and I think sky is the limit.
Sky is the limit, as you said that you know, it good you didn't deny, you know, things happen.
Yes,
you
of
know,
course.
because of the social media, it's so evident, and everybody starts trolling and they start talking about it. It was not that it never happened during our times also, you know. Maybe even as a commoner we must have seen, but during our times we knew how to evade it. So how did you evade it?
For me, I think the major struggle would have been auditioning and cracking the rules, because I've been learning through my journey. I do not belong to a very like no non-filmy background. There was no one who was in this field of films from my family. So I think for me to carve a way of my own, to meet the right people, to get the right characters was my struggle. For everyone, it would be different.
It would be.
The path would be different, the journey would be different, but all I feel is that the belief should be intact.
Right. So to this Gen Z, you know, they are so vocal. They don't know how to, I mean, evade such things. What message would you like to give them? You know, because we have to come across such things. Maybe you'll say, no, some people say, no, I didn't face it. It's not like that. You face it because people are so vocal, you know. Yeah. So what message, how would you like to engage them and tell them कि आप कैसे अपना सफर एंड तक सक्सेसफुल करने के लिए तय कर सकते हो?
I think it's all in the mind. Your mind is the powerhouse that makes you run. So if you believe that this is a problem, oh, I'll not be able to, you know, move past this, then you're not going to move past it. But if you believe that ठीक है, छोटा है, I mean, this is also an obstacle in my path, I will cross it. There'll be better things lined up. So I think वो बहुत छोटा लगेगा. So it's, for me, it's all in the mind.
You have to be positive.
Yes.
Okay, quickly, because before we conclude, you know, you must tell the new, you know, people, children, girls especially, who want to join films, how can they have a good skin like Harsimran?
Drink lots and lots of water. Yeah. That's the only thing that you should do.
And anything else, because you hail from Punjab, I'm sure you must be using very natural stuff like, you know, besan and malai and all that, and haldi and all that, and thoda sa kaju waju डाल के जो हम लोग करते थे, maybe I don't know.
देसी घी और कम खाती हूँ, मेरे को बहुत बोला जाता है खाने के लिए, but थोड़ा if you can add that to your meals and stuff, so that helps.
So what is your diet and exercise mantra, you know?
So I make sure that I work out in the morning because I feel
Pilates and all that you do. You go to gym?
Yes, I majorly do strength training and yoga.
Uh-huh.
So, but that I do in the morning because I feel the whole day goes nicely. I'm energized for the day. So, diet is like I mostly eat ghar ka khana. There's no
that's very
specific
important.
thing that I leave. I try and have everything, but in proper proportions.
Proportions, right. So, and do you believe in early to bed and early to rise? Because this gen does not believe in early to bed. Early to
Okay,
rise.
this-
They keep working till late. I did work then also. The lifestyle is very important, you know.
It is.
Yeah.
But sometimes what happens when I'm back home in Punjab, I'm sleeping at 10:30, 11, and whenever I'm back here, I don't know, somehow the clock turns to 1. I'm like, कैसे इतने late कैसे हो रहा है? But I try
Yeah.
to kind of.
That is
yeah.
unavoidable.
Yes.
Okay. Have you got any scenes with Sanjay Dutt? Were you intimidated by him?
Of course, his aura is so huge when he comes to the set. But for me, when the camera, when there's action, for me, everybody is the character and I'm the character myself. Of course, after the camera, there was cut, there was a little nervousness when I had to go and talk to him. But during the scenes, I think I was pretty much comfortable.
How many scenes you had with him? And what was the first conversation that you had with him? And what did he say? He's very nice.
He's very sweet, very
humble.
sweet, very sweet.
He's very humble, you know. He'll look at you like this. So what was your first, what did he say and what was it?
The first thing that I told him said, sir, it was a dream to work with you because I've seen that dream since I was young and we belong to the same village and when उनको बताया कि ऐसे ऐसे करके मैं आपका घर देखती थी ना बोलती थी कि
सुनील दत्त का घर।
yes so I was like
मैं मोहाली से आई था ऐसे ऐसे करके।
Mandoli yeah so like कि ऐसा ऐसा था then he was like oh and then we started talking in Punjabi and then he makes you feel very comfortable when you talk to him so yeah that nervousness went off.
Okay, anything else on a concluding note before we wind up?
I think everybody has worked really hard on the film and I'm sure आप लोगों को अच्छी लगी.
And 3 films are clashing. Zombie and then Aakhri Sawal and one more film is clashing. Do you have the knowledge of films clashing? And this is having a very
But I think all
good
the-
star cast. Samira is making a comeback.
Yes.
We used to go to her house on her terrace, you know, to talk. Now she doesn't call. Now it's PR driven.
She's been the sweetest on this. Just guided me with.
So
like
how do you
many
look
things.
at clash?
I think every film has a different genre. The 3 films which are clashing and सब तीनों जाके देखो. तीनों फिल्में देखो.
पर थोड़ा सा तो कंसीटेड होगी ना कि मेरी तो
course,
फिल्म
मेरी-
संजय दत्त वाली है
थोड़ा सा upper hand तो होना चाहिए.
है ना? Oh, so Harsimran feels that Aakhri Sawal she has an upper rank with Sanjay Dutt, the star-studded film. All the best.
Thank you so much.
God bless you.
Thank you.